Hey there, Excel learners. Have you ever looked at a spreadsheet and wondered, where are these numbers coming from? You know there are formulas behind the scenes, but how do you see them? Sometimes you just want to see the results, but other times you need to check the formulas, maybe to debug errors or understand how the spreadsheet works. Well, guess what? Excel has a super simple way to reveal formulas, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, both with a button and a keyboard shortcut. So let's dive right in. Here's a spreadsheet with some formulas in action. Right now, we can only see the results, but what if we need to inspect the formulas? Click on the Formulas tab at the top of Excel. Look to the right for the Formula Auditing group. Click on Show Formulas, and boom, every formula in the sheet is now visible. See that? Instead of showing the final numbers, Excel now displays the actual formulas used to calculate them. This is perfect for checking for errors or mistakes in formulas, understanding how a spreadsheet is built, making quick edits to existing formulas. Want to switch back? Just click the Show Formulas button again, and your spreadsheet will return to normal. Easy, right? Now let's talk shortcuts, because who doesn't love a quick trick? Instead of going to the menu, you can reveal formulas instantly with a simple keyboard shortcut. Try this. Click on any cell that contains a formula. Press Ctrl+apostrophe on your keyboard. Just like that, the formula for that cell is now visible. This shortcut is great for quick checks because you don't have to toggle all the formulas at once, just the one you're working on. One important note: this shortcut only works on one cell at a time. If you select a range of cells and try it, nothing will happen. So if you need to check multiple formulas at once, stick with the Show Formulas button from step 1. Once you reveal a formula, you might want to edit it. Here's how. Click on the cell with the formula. Look up at the formula bar at the top. Make any changes you need. Press Enter to save your edits. That's it. Excel updates the results instantly based on your changes. And there you have it. Now you know 2 simple ways to reveal formulas in Excel. This trick is super handy, whether you're troubleshooting a spreadsheet, learning how a formula works, or just curious about how the numbers are calculated.